Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome to the Problem Solve channel. In this video we will discuss an error, and the error is when you are implementing some operations in the C#. Operations means search, edit, delete, or inserting a new record to your database. So sometimes you face a problem, and the problem is invalid column and a column name in a single quotations. Here we will cover the three scenarios. Due to these scenarios the problem is occurring, so we will discuss it step by step. So let's get started. Now we will solve the problem step by step. First we will solve the first problem, and the first problem is the reason that the problem occurs is due to the table name. The table name is salesman, and we are putting the name which does not match with our table. For example, if we see our query, here the query is select salesman name means salesman name, phone number, and phone number 2 address from area, and we want to retrieve the data from the salesman. That is why this error occurs. Now if we see the form, for example, I'm searching ID1, so here the problem is solved. Now we will move toward the second problem, and the second problem is this: if our query size is larger, so we split it into two rows here in this way. So here the second mistake occurs, and the mistake is we also remove the space. Means now our query seems like this, which is not the correct syntax. For example, if we run the query, if we search ID1, it will give the invalid column name, and here the column names. And the third problem occurs when here we are adding some variables, and the variables are not in the quotation form. For example, if we see our table salesman, and we want to retrieve the data of Ali, so we mistake that I am retrieving the data of Ali by using the where condition salesman name equals to Ali. This is the third problem, and we will fix it by adding it into a single quotation. Now the third problem also solved. I hope inshallah this video will solve your problem. Allah Hafiz.